Though we dodged a bullet, many others weren't so lucky. Residents in Pascagoula are still bracing because Tropical Storm Gordon still poses a threat for heavy rain and flooding. KHOU's Brett Buffington was there when heavy rain began and brings us the story.
Good morning from Pascagoula, Mississippi. This is where Tropical Storm Gordon made landfall just before 10 o'clock last night. It brought with it intense rain and intense wind. The concern here from emergency officials was that already saturated ground would lead to trees coming down here. Certainly, as the sun comes up this morning, that is what rescue workers and emergency officials here will be looking for, assessing the storm damage near where this storm packed a punch here along the Mississippi-Alabama state line. Before the storm made landfall, just offshore, just 18 miles, a wind gust measured at 63 miles per hour. And in the western eye wall, which pushed ashore here, lightning and thunder, meaning convection as this storm's wall pushed on shore. Of course, we were here for the intense moments that happened. Take a look at some of this video. You can see the wind, you can see the rain. 60+ people overnight spent the night in 2 different shelters here. Emergency officials telling us that's because those people either lived in low-lying areas where there was a risk for storm surge or flooding, or they were people who knew that if this storm came with its worst, that they might not be able to get help. Of course, as the sun comes up, storm damage here will be assessed. As that happens, of course, we will have more updates. For now, though, we are in Pascagoula, Mississippi this morning. I'm Brett Buffington. Now back to you.
Residents in coastal Alabama are already seeing the impact of Tropical Storm Gordon. Take a look. A tornado watch includes coastal Alabama and our Florida Panhandle counties. A hurricane warning covers Jackson County and southern Mobile and Baldwin counties for the likelihood that Tropical Storm Gordon will arrive tonight as a Category 1 hurricane with winds of more than 75 miles per hour. Gordon